I think you've been doing a really nice job here of pruning these and keeping them down, and you were wondering, should you do more? You know, sure, you can bring this down a little, you can bring that down a little, bring it in from, you know, touching the house. You asked, you know, just prune it away a little bit. But just, and do the same thing you've been doing, which is to go down here, maybe take just little bits at a time. You've got some new growth here. So if you want to just keep it around the same height, it's just right here and all the way around. But I think you're doing a great job. So you go in here, just right, this is a small trim, right above a little patch of leaves here, and just do that. Okay, so a couple more, maybe like that, like that. This one, I mean, it's not super healthy, so I'd go down further. This guy, look at all this beautiful growth down there. So just make your way through and make it kind of even, and then you can see across, okay?